all spots covered. Thank you. Quarter marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. Wait for your name. Leo, John, Larry, Patrick, still in last. Rick, James, George, and Nelson. All cars go. GT12r, race number 16 on the track. Let's see if anybody can beat Brian Bodine 24 to 601. Race number 17 should be in tech, guys, front wheel drive. Everybody working on lap number 3 as they cross the line, working on 4. James Nelson, our early race leader. Nelson Cortez in second, trailing by 1.5. John Hicks in third. 8/10 behind Nelson. Leo in fourth, and Larry to round out the early top 5. Patrick in 6th, Rick in 7th, still last in 8th, to George in the 9th spot, 130 in, 430 left. And a 6:13 the pace. This is a new GQ run. James Nelson down that back straightaway, 15.3 the last time by. James in that orange car down the back straightaway. That's our race leader, Nelson Cortez in the 2nd spot. Oh, Nelson dropping down in 3rd. It's going to be John Hicks up in the 2nd. Nelson in 3rd. Leo in 4th. And Larry to round out the top 5. 2:15 down. 3:45 left to go back. 2:15 down. 3:45 left. Nelson 15.5 the last time by. Down the back straightaway. The orange car is your leader. From 24 to 602.1 outside of the TQ, run by about 7/10.
Oh, Jesus.
Hicks in the 2nd spot, trailing by 3.0, and then Cortez is 1.3 off of John Hicks. We got a battle for 2nd. There's John down the back stretch.
All right.
Back into the center, John nice and smooth on the white car. In front of driver's stand, across the start finish line. Nelson Cortez in 3rd, Leo in 4th, still last to round out the top 5, followed by Cammy, Silvero, Nazarino, and Corey. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. 2:30 left. Nelson 3.2 out for Hicks. Hicks 1.6 out in front of Cortez.
Like lost all it turned on.
The pace kind of slowed down a little bit here for James Nelson. 6:04 the pace. We had a 6:01 turned in by Brian in the previous group.
So I did it for, that's the same one I used to run for my GT, and I ran it.
James 15.3 back up with a 15.1.
Yesterday.
I'm done with this now. I had it for like 3 weeks.
Hicks in the 2nd spot, trailing by 4.1, 15.9 for John the last time. I backed up with a 16 flat.
I got 6 models in here.
And now Nelson started closing. Nelson Cortez 15.7 the last time. 3rd place driver across the start finish line. In the fluorescent yellow.
Yeah, I'm going back to the job, I think.
Nelson only trailing John by 2.3. Zod in 4th and still in last, rounding out the top 5.
I like the way. Yeah. I mean, I haven't seen over before.
First group of front wheel drive, race number 17 coming up next. Race number 18 start heading to 10th. We're nearing the end of the round. We'll take a 20-minute break after race number 19. We'll take a 20-minute break after race 19. We run on the track. It'll be 5-minute sessions, no more than 10 on the track at a time. We'll do a resort and we'll get ready for round number 2 of Qualifier. We'll go all the way through 3 rounds today next, and then the same time frame tomorrow. We're going to open the doors at 7 a.m. Come here early if you want to hang out or run on the track. We'll close the track down at 8:45 tomorrow. We'll start the main events at 9 a.m. tomorrow. James Nelson out in front by 6.6 over John Hicks with Cortez in the third spot, trailing by 2.7. 15 flat for our race leader on a 24 and a 6:05. This is 4 seconds shy of the TQ run. Nelson off in the show, Cantry, Morris paired up with second place Hicks now.
He's a fast guy, man.
Oh, I know how fast he is.
Across the start, keep going.
The punt.
No, he inspired me to get the damn Mugen card.
Oh, yeah. Mugen.
Yeah, now I'm
Keep
inspired
driving,
to get the Schumacher though.
Okay.
Yeah, Schumacher's the match. They're gonna release the
Right, guys,
next
we
one.
got
No way.
two more to finish.
Yeah, I mean, I'm running Schumacher 12 scales and I really like them.
Yeah.
And,
One more. We got George. Let's race.
those guys are like, I see something
All right, everybody else done. James Nelson going to take the win, 24 to 6:05. John Hicks second, 24 to 6:14. Nelson Cortez third, 23 to 6:01. Leo fourth, and still at last.